What's up, boys? Today we're going to do a little bit of market analysis. This is after the day on Wednesday after trading. I'm going to show you guys everything, my thought process, and what I was thinking for the entirety of the trading today. So, for starters, market was dog shit. NASDAQ was up super high. ES was up super high as well. Bam, just kind of went up the entirety of the day. I took no trades today. And here was a trade that I had in mind. On ES, this is what I was looking like. NASDAQ, at the beginning of the morning, NASDAQ was like this. Load. Took out hourly highs. ES didn't take out hourly at all. ES instead took out these 15 minutes. This 15 minute. This 15 minute. This 15 minute. And even this 15-minute fair value gap right here. It fulfilled that. So in change, what was I going to do? I was going to trade off of it. All I needed was a 5-minute retrace. Almost got one right here. And then price decided to rip on this candle. So there went that 5-minute retrace. And this alone would have been my entry. This break of structure would have been my entry. This would have been my take profit. That would have been the trade. Literally a 1-to-1 trade. I probably could have knocked it off to right here. But that was going to be my trade for today. And a little bit of drawdown, and then it would have pushed up. And then if I would have had any runners, it would have been able to run the entirety of the day without getting stopped out. But yeah, that was my trade that I had in mind for today. And the only reason I did have this in mind was because NASDAQ didn't sweep out, or NASDAQ already took out the highs. ES took out the highs. So my bias was bearish after this. And that was the trade that I was originally looking for. And I would have entered off of simply just a break of structure due to the fact it was 15 minute. All I needed was a 5-minute retrace. And it swept on the 15 minute, the 5-minute. It was just, this was my perfect entry for today. And you're like, 13 ticks for 12. It probably would have been this. 13 ticks for 12, or 12 for 13 ticks. Not a lot. Would have been a lot of money in one single tick, but it would have worked. That's all it really would have mattered. And yeah, this was a trade for today. Am I upset I didn't take this trade? No. Price action was terrible today. And I was a little bit hesitant for the trade to begin with. But yeah, that was my trade. And S&P was just absolute ripperonian. And then I was looking for bearish confirmation. So I was looking for, when we got this huge dip down, I was like, okay, if it breaks right here, we're going to start this bearish confirmation. And then we get a 5-minute retrace. And then continue going down, but it didn't work. It swept. Took out all the liquidity right here and then continued going up. Same thing on NASDAQ. Swept down, continued going up. Dow was even goofy, and Dow was doing the same thing. And yeah, no trades for me. There was nothing necessary for me to take, nothing necessary for me to risk my money on. So in turn, I didn't take anything. So yeah, that's all I had for today. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So this was a little bit quicker of a video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it a little bit and it helped explain. But yeah, peace.